Hello, this is Debbie from Project39 Mini Albums. I'm here today to show you the February 2021 Sheetload of Cards. And if you're new to Sheetload, let me tell you a little bit about it. Alicia from the Me Crafty YouTube channel came up with Sheetload of Card years ago, and what it is a card sketch, but it's not just the card sketch, it also gives you a supply list and a fabulous cutting guide. So for instance, this month you'll need 3 sheets of pattern paper. She tells you how to cut the sheets, tells you how to cut the card stock, tells you what side the card bases are, gives you some ideas on different ways to change this up. And at the end of the day, you'll make whatever the yield is. And this month the yield is 9 cards. And each month she has a team of creative people come up with their own version of the cards using their idea of what to use for the pattern paper. And it's amazing how different all the looks are, even though it's the same card sketch. So I'll show you my cards now, and you'll notice I did use a lot of gold metallic foil. The pattern paper had gold foil on it, and of course there's 3 designs of the gold foil. I made it sort of like a Valentine's Day card, but not with the traditional reds and pinks. I actually was going to go for a more masculine one, but I didn't feel it. I chose these gold foil papers. So you'll see there's the hearts, there's the lips, and there's a nice bold stripe. And then I used some gold foil that was in my stash to go along. I did change this design because once I put it down on the white paper, I didn't like how washed out it was, so I did add an extra layer on the outside just to make it pop. Originally I was going to use a different card base, but I just couldn't come up with something that made it pop the way I wanted it to. So these are the cards that I made. I think they'll be fabulous for Valentine's Day, but they'd be good year-round as well. And if you see these fabulous envelopes, those I got on clearance at the local craft store, and they look fabulous to go along with this. So take a look at these cards. Go ahead and go to the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel. She'll give you instructions on how to download the cards if you're a subscriber to her channel. And also listed below, besides the link to her site, is a list of other collaborators. There are those that are on YouTube, there are those that are on Instagram, and also there are some that have published their sheetload on the blog also today. So check those out, get some ideas. And you know, I was thinking that if your kids needed to make cards for Valentine's Day, you could help them cut out the paper and they could make their own cards for their friends. You could just get one stamp that says Happy Valentine's Day, and that's all you need. So get those kids to be creative and do something fun with them. That's what I have for February 2021 Sheetload of Cards. I hope you enjoyed seeing these cards. Check back again and see what we make with other sheetloads of cards. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.